Welcome back to Trendz TV, the ultimate pit stop for car enthusiasts who crave the latest scoops, detailed reviews, and no-nonsense takes on the newest rides hitting the streets. And today, we've got something compact, smart, and surprisingly punchy: the 2026 Toyota Yaris. You might think you already know the Yaris, but this year's model steps up with sharp styling, improved tech, and a refined driving experience that makes it more than just a budget-friendly hatchback. Let's hit the road and see what this little warrior brings to the table in 2026. Exterior: the 2026 Toyota Yaris greets you with a redesigned front fascia that screams attitude far beyond its size. The grille has been reworked with a honeycomb pattern that looks sportier and more aggressive, flanked by slimmer LED headlights that sweep back for a focused, Hawkeye appearance. The daytime running lights now integrate more seamlessly into the headlight housing, giving it a more upscale and modern look. Toyota has ditched the overly rounded aesthetic from previous generations and instead embraced sharper lines and bold creases, giving the front end a compact but confident stance. The bumper design features angular elements that guide airflow while also enhancing the Yaris' dynamic personality. Even the hood gets a touch of athleticism with subtle sculpting that suggests movement, even when the car is at a standstill. Moving around to the side profile, the 2026 Yaris continues to impress. This hatchback sits on newly designed 16 or optional 17-inch alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, adding a touch of sophistication that used to be missing in earlier models. The character lines that flow from the front fender to the rear taillights add visual motion, and the slightly flared wheel arches give the car a planted look. The roofline gently slopes towards the rear, lending the Yaris a sporty, almost coupe-like silhouette. In higher trims, Toyota throws in blacked-out mirror caps, a contrasting roof, and even chrome accents around the window trim for an upmarket feel. Despite being a compact, the Yaris makes smart use of proportions, balancing form and function in a way that appeals to both young drivers and those just seeking a practical city commuter. At the back, the 2026 Yaris wraps up the design evolution with a more assertive rear end. The taillights are fully LED and stretch horizontally, connected by a black trim piece that subtly widens the visual stance. There's a new rear bumper that adds a faux diffuser element, further enhancing the sporty vibe. The hatch itself is cleanly sculpted with a small integrated spoiler up top that's both functional and stylish. Toyota also updated the badging with a more modern font and revised emblem placement. Overall, the rear matches the front's energy, delivering a consistent and fresh look that's bound to turn heads, even among bigger cars on the road. Interior: slip inside the Yaris, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that punches well above its weight. Toyota has completely rethought the interior layout for 2026, focusing on clean lines, quality materials, and tech integration. The dashboard is minimalist, with the floating 9-inch touchscreen front and center running Toyota's latest infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the interface is crisp, responsive, and intuitive. Physical knobs for climate control are retained, thankfully, for easy access on the go. Soft touch materials are now used across more surfaces, especially in higher trims, which get leatherette seats, contrast stitching, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. The seating position is slightly elevated, giving drivers good visibility without feeling like you're in a compact cage. Both front and rear seats have been improved for better bolstering and long trip comfort. Rear legroom remains tight, but headroom is decent, and the flat rear floor makes it more accommodating for passengers. Cargo space is practical, with the hatch area easily swallowing groceries or weekend bags. Fold the rear seats, and you've got enough room to load larger items, making the Yaris an ideal partner for urban errands or light adventure. Performance: under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Yaris brings more efficiency without sacrificing driving pleasure. The base engine remains a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder, but Toyota has tuned it for smoother power delivery and better fuel economy. It produces around 118 horsepower and 110 pounds-to-feet of torque, which might not sound thrilling on paper but feels punchy thanks to the car's lightweight construction and responsive tuning. Mated to either a 6-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, CVT, The Yaris offers two distinct driving experiences, engaging for purists, or smooth and efficient for commuters. New for 2026, Toyota introduces a mild hybrid variant. This setup uses the same 1.5-liter engine paired with an electric motor to provide a little extra boost when accelerating and help with regenerative braking. The hybrid Yaris is all about stretching fuel economy, with ratings nearing 52 miles per gallon combined. Despite being an eco-warrior, the hybrid still feels nimble and responsive, especially around tight urban streets. The suspension is tuned for comfort with just enough firmness to handle quick lane changes or tighter corners. Steering feedback is light but precise, perfect for weaving through city traffic or parking in narrow spots. The ride is impressively quiet, and wind and road noise are well controlled thanks to improved insulation and tighter panel gaps. Safety remains a core focus, and the 2026 series comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0. This includes pre-collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure alert with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, and even a driver attention monitoring system. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are available on higher trims, making this compact car feel just as tech-savvy and safe as larger vehicles in Toyota's lineup. As for pricing, Toyota keeps things accessible, which is one of the Yaris' biggest strengths. The base model starts at around $18,000, offering exceptional value for first-time buyers or those looking for a reliable daily driver. The mid-tier XLE trim climbs to around $21,000, adding more creature comforts and visual upgrades, while the hybrid version is expected to start just under $23,000, fully loaded. The 2026 series won't cross $25,000, making it one of the most affordable new cars with advanced safety tech, modern design, and hybrid efficiency. So, what's the verdict on the 2026 Toyota Yaris? It's no longer just a practical budget car, it's stylish, tech-forward, and surprisingly fun to drive. Toyota has managed to breathe new life into the Yaris without losing what made it popular in the first place: reliability, affordability, and simplicity. If you're looking for an efficient city commuter that doesn't feel like a compromise, the new Yaris might just be your perfect match. From the fresh design to the clever hybrid option, Toyota proves that small doesn't have to mean boring. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Toyota Yaris. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Trendz TV, and ring that bell so you never miss an update on the hottest cars hitting the streets. Got questions or thoughts about the Yaris? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay fast, stay curious, and keep riding the trend.